Hi, I'm Noel. In one of the latest videos, I've done the introduction to Astral Spriggan, included in this awesome custom set. And do you know what else is included here? Yes, the new S gear for Belial. I suppose we have been waiting for this day. The third attachment gear to Belial. So we've had the F gear from Fafnir, the V gear from Valkyrie, and now we have the S gear from Spriggan. It can be applied to the Nexus disc. It's very simple. So you just go like this and push. Now it's locked. And I must say I was pretty surprised when I first saw this for its big size. I mean, I expected something a bit more smaller. It's almost the same size as the layer. So it's like having an extra layer here, which means more attack and more defense. Speaking of attack and defense, just like Spriggan, this has a reversible gimmick, meaning you take it off and you flip it over and you put it back. Now it's in defense mode. When it's in attack mode, the S gear is fixed and very stable, like a sharp blade. Now it's in defense mode, and can you see? It rotates. This is how it looks like when it's all combined. And I can already tell it's super heavy. Valkyrie is 74 grams, Spriggan is 78. Whoa, this is heavy enough. But Belial is 80 grams. Oh my god, it's getting heavier and heavier. And I've heard rumors about forced attachment gear from Longinus. It's going to be like a metal fabric here. Imagine the perfect Belial, how heavy it would be. And since the S gear is attached to the Nexus disc, it means that we can use Belial in high mode as well. And it would look like this. But be careful, the F gear cannot be applied when you're using it in high mode. This is how it looks like with the Dynamite disc. Which one do you prefer? Dynamite or Devil? This is just my personal opinion, but I like the Devil better. And the shape is slightly different. The Devil blade is more sharp. It provides Belial with more attack. So today we're going to see some battles between Devil Belial with some powerful Beyblades here. Oh, I'm so excited! Let's see what's going to happen. Let it rip! Fantastic! The S gear surely provides Belial with some extra weight and more attack and more defense. It's hard to tell the difference between attack mode and defense mode, but I've noticed that when the S gear hits the arena and there's like a high friction, when it's in attack mode, Belial loses quite a lot of stamina. But when it's in defense mode, since the S gear can rotate, it doesn't lose as much stamina, and presumably the attack mode provides more power. It's hard to choose which one's better. I'm going to leave the choice up to you guys. Please let me know what you guys thought about it in the comment section below. And if you want to see more of this kind of battle or review unboxing videos, please let me know in the comment section below as well. This is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.